Hey guys, this is Jyoti. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you guys 5 lipsticks for festive season. The shades I am going to be sharing today are all bold and dark and glamorous. It's all glitz and glam here. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The first lip shade is this one, which I am wearing right now. This is my most favorite brown. If you find it a bit semi-matte or demi-matte, you can easily get another brown. Let's say Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick in the shade Chai. That is also a gorgeous deep dark brown color. The next shade is Colorbar Matte Me As I Am lip color in the shade Devilry 018. It's a gorgeous fuchsia color, dark fuchsia color, very appropriate for festive occasions. This is the second lip option which you can go for if you're not comfortable with browns. Festive season is incomplete without a classic red, right? This is red 2 from Maybelline Lip Gradation range. The next shade is the gorgeous Maroon from Nyx Soft Matte Lip Creme in the shade Copenhagen. This is so comfortable. The soft matte lip creams are very comfortable to wear and they look stunning. Now there is always someone who does not like wearing dark lipsticks, so this one is for you guys. This is Smashbox driver's seat. It's a peachy nude color, but still it has a pop of color which will brighten up your face. If you are going for heavy smoky eye or you want to enhance the attention on the eyes and keep the lips muted, then this lip color is for you. This is subtle peachy color with orange undertones. I had to keep one neutral shade so that people who do not like dark colors could find something for themselves. If you don't want to splurge your money on Smashbox, then you can always find a dupe of such colors. A Nykaa Bombae is a perfect dupe for this, only that this is a bit more orangish than the Nykaa Bombae one. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram for more fashion and beauty related stuff, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from this channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy.